Welcome to another episode of Heavy Equipment Power in Action. Today, we're on a massive mining site where one of the world's most powerful and efficient earth-moving machines, the Komatsu PC1250 Excavator, takes center stage. This beast isn't just big. It's a true mining monster built to dominate the toughest terrains. Watch as the PC1250 loads soil and waste material into giant dump trucks with incredible precision, speed, and power, proving once again why Komatsu is a global leader in heavy machinery engineering. The Komatsu PC1250 is an engineering marvel designed for large-scale excavation and mining operations. Equipped with a powerful 672 kW 900 HP engine, this machine effortlessly lifts and loads massive volumes of overburden, waste, and soil. Its hydraulic efficiency and reinforced boom structure make it perfect for continuous, high-output performance. In this operation, the PC1250 works in perfect coordination with a fleet of off-road dump trucks, creating a smooth and synchronized material handling process. The operator's skill and the excavator's power combine to achieve impressive loading cycles, maximizing productivity while minimizing fuel use and downtime. The environment around the mine site is harsh, dusty terrain, heavy rock formations, and challenging slopes. Yet the Komatsu PC1250 performs like a champion, maintaining stability and control even under extreme load conditions. The advanced hydraulic system allows for fine control and fast swing speeds, which reduces cycle times and boosts efficiency. Each bucket load from this massive excavator weighs several tons, and the machine's reinforced undercarriage and steel body ensure long-term durability even in demanding mining conditions. Whether it's removing overburden or loading soil and waste for haulage, the PC1250 showcases Komatsu's unmatched reliability and precision. Beyond power, safety is a key focus. The cab offers excellent visibility, ergonomic controls, and advanced monitoring systems that keep the operator aware of every parameter in real time, ensuring safe and effective operation throughout the shift. Model Komatsu PC1250 8 engine power, 672 kW 900 HP. Operating weight approx 110 tons. Bucket capacity 6 to 7 cubic meters depending on configuration. Max digging depth around 9.5 meters. Max reach over 14 meters. Fuel efficiency high due to advanced hydraulic system and engine management. This machine is widely used in mining, quarrying, and heavy construction projects across the globe, where raw material movement and loading efficiency are critical. And that's the incredible Komatsu PC1250 monster excavator in action. A perfect display of strength, precision, and modern mining efficiency. From massive bucket loads to seamless coordination with dump trucks, this machine proves that no job is too big when raw power meets smart engineering. If you enjoyed this mining action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heavy equipment content in full 4K. Stay tuned for more videos showcasing the world's biggest excavators, dump trucks, and mining operations in action.